Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 293. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here and a 3 here, so this is our 2. That 4 means this is our 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 7, 9, 7 here, so 3, 9, and no help here, 3, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9, 7, 4. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got the 1 covering here and here, so the 1 must be here. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help, so 3, 5, 3, 5. But I did just notice this 9 makes this our 3, 9. And that 3 makes this our 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. And to finish out this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.